Welcome to RustBuster's installation guide
for the vehicles listed at the bottom of your screen.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Uninstall and lift your vehicle's body. Uninstall the rear leaf spring from the rear forward mount and move the leaf spring out of the way. Step 3. Cut off the rivet heads holding the spring mount. Use a hammer and punch to clear the studs from the holes. Avoid damaging the mount as it will be reinstalled later. This frame section features perforations to accommodate the brake line bracket and center frame crossmember. If replacing these parts, remove them now. If not, remove the perforations. Step 4. Remove any frame rot, rust, or debris from the work area. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer and slide the frame section onto the frame. C-clamp the part in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part to the frame rail prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Bolt the leaf spring mount back onto the frame using the included hardware. Step 6. Paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our RustBuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Step 7. Reinstall the leaf spring, then lower and reinstall your vehicle's body. Now, get back out on the road.